Do you want to rename original audio on Instagram? You can rename audio on Instagram Reels with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To rename the original audio on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, open the reel that you have created with your original audio. At the bottom of your reel, tap on the audio icon or name that appears. A new screen will appear with the details of your audio. From the top right corner, tap on the three dots menu. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Rename Audio from here. Now, a new screen will appear. Remove the original audio, and type your own custom name under the audio name section. Once you're done, tap on the checkmark or done button to save. Now, your original audio will be renamed and will appear with the new title whenever someone views or uses it.